a symbol of precision, freedom, and style that still inspires the culture today. The AE86 redefined what a car could be. From the drawing board to the mountain passes, it became the blueprint for drifting itself. The AE86 wasn't built to be a legend. It was designed as a simple, lightweight coupe.
Drifting began on the mountain passes of Japan, where drivers pushed their cars beyond grip and into controlled slides.
Before drifting was a sport, it was an art, perfected on mountain roads. A sport where precision, style, and adrenaline clash, yet its spirit remains the same. The art of sliding sideways.